how to delete your account on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to delete your account on Discord. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open Discord. After this, when you open Discord guys, you will go down here on your profile and open it. And then you will go to account, and account you will have many option. You will go to the last option, the red one, delete account. You will click, and now as you see, in order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all server that you own. So you have to transfer ownership of all server that you own. So and after this, when you do this, now you can delete your account when you do this. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful, helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.